Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay, or OMG, aims to provide the highest level of care to every patient. We'll take you inside their facilities next. Orthopaedic Medical Group provides care to all orthopedic injuries and conditions. And with state-of-the-art facilities around the Bay Area, they are putting patient care first. Take a look.
We are at the Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay. That's in Lithia, Fishhawk area. We do have multiple locations. I want to say we've grown to greater than 10 locations. We extend all the way on the east to Winter Haven, on the west side to St. Pete. We're up in the Wesley Chapel Market and area, and then down past Sun City Center. So quite a large geographic spread with multiple offices, interspersed throughout those sort of boundary offices, so to speak, including downtown Tampa Market as well. We're sort of cradle to grave musculoskeletal care. We really do like to extend across all the facets of musculoskeletal care. We have the great opportunity to have a surgery center here in our practice, which allows us to increase the value to our patients, and then again extend through that surgical episode to post-operatively physical therapy visits and quality in the post-op period as well. Our goal in treating those folks in the senior age group are to, number one, respect their needs and demands, because I know as we look into the future, we're going to see a lot of folks from the volume side of it come into the market, right into the area that we live in, which is a great thing. That being said, there's going to be some touch points that we need to make sure that we continue the consistency from their previous care, maybe elsewhere up north, as they come for the winter time, but also meeting the demands that they have from an activity perspective and then a lifestyle perspective as well. If you've had an accident or an injury, I think the first thing to do is to reach out to us. We want to hear from you sooner rather than later so we can help in that process. I think getting the early call in first is really critically important so we can start that process out and get you through it efficiently. We again take all insurances, or nearly all insurances, and so I think we put tremendous amount of value on the fact that we're people taking care of people, and we're using this vehicle of our medical education and our profession so that we can do that in a very reasonable way. We can talk about lots of things that we particularly do. Arthroscopic, so camera-related rotator cuff surgery on an outpatient basis, utilizing our surgery center in our practice so that we can be more efficient and keep the quality of care high for patients. We do outpatient shoulder replacement surgery, and so we do that with navigation assistance. So we actually take before the surgery and sort of pre-plan by computer navigation your entire surgery out well beforehand. That shortens your surgical episode, that increases confidence in your surgical team, that creates confidence in your ability post-op. So for us to actually maybe expedite your physical therapy or speed up your physical therapy process, biologic injections to again increase the quality of repair and healing that we're going to see and decrease the complication and failure rates on the other side of it. Myself, as well as all of my partners, are very sort of invested in the thought that we're subspecialists, right? We're general orthopedic surgeons, but we do have a subspecialty interest. But we're also, more importantly, available for our own partners that have had a complicated case come to them. And we go back to our mission that this is about meeting expectations that people have, trying to do our very best to do that, and use all of our resources, intellect and knowledge and social skills to be able to understand the problem and make a diagnosis and then put forward the best treatment. We're always accepting new patients. We welcome patients calling us, whether it be for their first time opinion and first time visit or those second or third opinions. You can do that best probably by calling our office number at 813-684-BONE, or visiting our website at omgtb.com. What I love about my job is I get to take care of people. A person with a family and children and grandparents, you're really in it to be able to affect somebody's life, and to have an opportunity to do that every single day when you come to work is very empowering. It's a passion that you get as a healthcare provider, and I think that's what drives me to come to work and actually enjoy what I do for a living every day.
And you can check them out by heading to the website listed on your screen right now. You can find locations and the services they offer.